Welcome back to Stock on a Dime, tip number 5. If you haven't had a chance to watch 1, 2, 3, and 4, I recommend you going back and watching them. Each tip is a little tip that we sometimes use for investing in stock, or at least checking out and finding the company and then doing a little bit more research. But each tip will kind of help you find maybe the company you're looking for. One of our tips is price to sell that we're going to talk about today. Back in November, we posted our Stock on a Dime quarterly report, and this basically lists companies that we are going out on a limb and investing in. And this last time we picked, under our wild card section, a company called VLY. So let's dive into VLY and see why we picked them this month or this quarter, and see if we can figure out if it's a good company or not. So we're over here on MSN Money under their searches, and we have Valley National Bank pulled up here. Looking at their chart, back at one of our first tips, is they've always been going up. That's always a good sign. Again, another tip that we looked at back on tip number 1 was the PE ratio. Right here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's just under 25. It is actually at 1792. So far so good. But let's dive into and analyze what we're looking for today. We are looking under right here where it says price to sell. Price to sell. Price to sell is another great tip where you can do a little research and find companies that have a good price to sell. A company that has a good price to sell can also lead you into a good investment. So, what is a good price to sell, you ask? Anything under 4, 430, 450, anything under 4, or I would say roughly nothing higher than a 5, is usually a good company that we would invest in. Now, there are some situations, for example, Facebook is at 7 right now, and it might be something I might invest in because it is actually down right now, but 4 is a good number. If you get it down into 1, that's a great number. Anything under 1 is a great buy. So Valley National Bank would fall under our price to sell tip. So tip number 5, again, go to any search, find a stock company that you're looking for. Valley National Bank, what we're looking at right now, it's at $12.19. We go down here to where it says price to sell, and it is 4.16. So to me, it is a good buy. Again, it is our wild card, so that means it's a little bit risky. It might go up, it might go down, or it might sit still. That's kind of why we pick our wild card. But Valley National Bank is our wild card. So check it out, find some companies that have a good price to sell, invest, and let us know what happens. Thanks for watching.